Hey guys, I am going to tell you a very interesting fact about South Asia. In South Asian states of Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, women had held top political offices of the presidency and premiership for several times. For example, in Pakistan, Benazir Bhutto remained Prime Minister for 2 times. In India, Indira Gandhi remained Prime Minister for 2 times. And in Nepal, Bidya Devi, she remained President of Nepal. In Sri Lanka, 2 women assumed this high political office of President and Prime Minister, Chandrika Kumar Atunga and Sri Mavo Bandra Naik. In Bangladesh, 2 Begums are very famous to hold top political office, Khalda Zia and Sheikh Hasina. Take care, Allah Hafiz.